How to use WeChat wallet without Chinese bank account. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use WeChat wallet without Chinese bank account. For that case, go ahead and open up or log into your WeChat account. When you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you go to your profile, and from here, go to settings. As you click on settings, you need to go to help and feedback section. So next, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and submit a request or submit a report stating that you wish to go ahead and use the WeChat wallet without your Chinese account, all that. So currently I'm unable to show you the procedure, but when you are taken to the help center page, you can find a list of sections. Now accordingly, you could go through it and select the one and then submit a request. As per the submission, you have to provide in your detailed information that has been asked and all of your information in order to let them know that you wish to use WeChat wallet without Chinese bank. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.